Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. If your iPhone is not able to install the stable iOS version iOS 15.7, iOS 16, iOS 16.0.2 and iOS 16.0.3, then you are at the right place to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch settings and tap General and tap iPhone storage, and we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then go back to settings and make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and if you are using mobile or cellular data, better move to Wi-Fi. If you're still facing the same issue, then we have to launch settings, tap on General and tap VPN and device management. Here we have to check the list and tap on iOS 16 software profile, tap on it. Now tap remove profile, iPhone passcode required, and tap again remove to confirm. Now if you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it and tap on not now. Now go back to settings and tap software update and update your iPhone to a stable iOS version. If not, then tap on iPhone storage and check the list and delete the iOS 16 update if available. Then go back to General and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all setting. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. And try the final solution. Force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.